That's your mom. You scared of the camera? Who put that hat on you? Who put that hat on you? Who put that hat on you? What? You scared of the camera? Why you open your eyes like that? Like you're scared. What happened? Yeah? It's not gonna hurt you. It's just a camera. You find it interesting? Touch it. Touch it. Yeah? Touch the camera. Yeah. Touch it. Ooh. Ooh, it feels nice, right? Yeah. Say hi. Hi. Say hi, everybody. What? What happened? What? How old are you? 2 months. Yep, you have 2 months. Ooh, no, that's not good. No, no. Uh-oh. How old are you? We gotta clean you up now. Yeah, hiccups. Hiccups, sweetie. Big head. Take this out of you. Oh my god, you're bald. My baby's bald.